Well, I finally broke down and picked up myself a soldering iron from Amazon. I only paid 40 bucks shipped to me, and it came with a free gift. Yay. We'll take a look at what we got here for 40 bucks. Oh, we got a thank you. Instruction manual. And oh, we got the, looks like clean off my soldering tip. That'll come in handy. I don't have one of those. I got a solder plunger or solder sucker. I don't know, some wire, I guess, to practice your soldering. Bunch of tips. We got 5 tips. You can see that. And then a cheapy razor blade that's coming apart in my hands already. Oh, we got a couple rolls of electrical tape. And then, oh, then we got looks like a wire stripper. Figure that out later. And then we got some nippers. They seem decent enough. I needed one of these, so, and then we got a couple different types of tweezers here. So one straight, one bent. Tips are pretty thin. On this, the straight one anyway, it's really thin. Almost lined up. Should work though. And then bent. A little thicker tips on this one. But decent enough. Actually something I might use. Of course we got some solder. 50 gauge. 0.8 millimeter. Always good to have extra solder. Then we get some cheapy little stand thing with it. I guess you bolt that on there. A little wipe sponge. Go there, I guess. And then the soldering iron. Been needing one of these for years now. Finally broke down and coughed up the money to get a cheap one. I can't see how. So we got adjustable temperature from, it says, looks like 200 Celsius to 450 Celsius. Then we got a LCD display. That'll show the temperature. It's a MotyGarlo. I don't know if you can see the brand there. Little silicone sleeve to protect you. This one's just a ceramic here. So it should be decent enough, hopefully. So I haven't given this a try yet, so I'll have to wait and see if it's actually even working. Hopefully everything. And we got an on-off button there. And of course there's the temperature dial. LCD indicator temperature indicator on there. And I went for the 80 watts 3-prong plug. I don't know, the cord's about 3 feet long, so it's okay, I'd say. Yeah, there's my Amazon soldering iron for 40 bucks. Soldering iron kit for 40 bucks. Not bad. As I said, a lot of this stuff I probably won't be using. So this will be gone, junk. So this stuff I'll be using. Tape, always use for tape. I'll have use for that. This, even the wires I can use. So not bad.